Pop store.
Yeah, we got albums and now we're poor. We're unboxing the EXO Exact album.
I got it for her birthday.
Ew! I have like 3 photo cards of him. Goes out to you only. Wow. My angel. I want everyone, if you have not listened to Heaven by EXO, listen to it. Please. Ooh. What is he doing?
I love him.
He looks like he's about to pee.
He's so cute, his dimples.
I know him. His nose. Oh! Oh! Hands gone. Oh, look how cute his hair is. This is such a look. Anyways, thank you for tuning into my Exact EXO unboxing video. Like and subscribe. Smash that like button. We're falling.
So we're gonna do these uglies.
Ew. Who stands the boys?
I too.
Me. I got it.
It's so cool. Oh my god.
The CD looks so cool.
I know, it looks so cool. I got my baby. Oh, it's so cute. Oh gosh. And of course, stickers. I love stickers.
Yeah,
There's so much stuff in here. I love these pictures so much. They're so beautiful. Kevin looks so good.
Kevin owns it.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, his mullet. I love him. Anyone who says he's ugly is a liar.
oh, we're
Oh, okay.
accelerating.
Oh,
Look how pretty he is. Oh.
He's so cute. He's my bias if you didn't know already. Jacob.
Jacob is a whole.
Jacob answered my comments on V Live once.
It's true.
I was so amazed. Okay. Unfortunately, that's it.
And that was the boys.
We're gonna do 17's first album because I have like all of 17's
Their
albums.
first album.
I have like all of 17's albums except for this one. And then after I have this one, which now I have, I just have to get all the versions. So we're gonna open this bad boy.
He's in performance.
Ew, ew. He's the love of my life.
The ugliest boy.
Cute.
Oh.
He looks good. He
always
like
looks
hasn't changed. Ah!
Mop head.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
And you really wanted this album?
Mingyu looks good. Mingyu always looks good.
He's cute. Stop.
His hair. Joshua looks good. I like his signature. Oh.
Everyone,
I'm
stand
just-
17.
I'm just gonna like, I don't know how. This weird. That looks good. Okay, well, I'll fix it later. It's Loona.
Please stand Loona, everyone. It's what they deserve.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Who is it? Oh, she's so cute. They're so pretty. She's so beautiful. She's honestly so pretty. And she's like younger than me. Oh well.
I don't understand how everyone in there can be so pretty and so talented.
I don't know. She's my bias. She's my favorite. She's my queen. Aw, she's so cute.
I literally love her smile.
I love her little teeth. Yes. Yeah. Oh, she's so pretty. I'll just put that there.
Okay, can I get a cheesy bean and rice burrito and a... Yep. Alright.
Stan XO.
Bye, Melody.
Goodbye.
I'm moving to the front now.
Now you're upside down.
I love him. Oh. I'm like a bird, not a turkey. 어쩜 좋아